I think I'm going to record a little intro just with the blurb about the book, and then I will have the placeholder audio so it goes over a minute, and we'll see how that goes. Anyways, this is No Bad Parts, written by Richard C. Schwartz, Ph.D., Healing Trauma and Restoring Wholeness with the Internal Family Systems Model, read by Sen Naomi Kirst-Schultz. We are on Chapter 10, The Laws of Inner Physics. Hey, welcome to Sen's Anarchist audio library. I will be putting a link in the description so that people can access the audio. I have unfortunately had to take a step back because of getting banned for reading The Ones Who Walk Away from Omelas by Ursula K. Le Guin, a renowned anarchist and dead person, who I'm sure would love to have Norwegian companies enforcing HarperCollins copyright on just, I'm not some big shot. Anyways, I have to fill about a minute and a bit so that it doesn't turn into a short, but I'm going to be putting all of my videos on Google Drive for the foreseeable future. I'm probably going to try and find somewhere else to host them, like Collectiva or something like that, if there are suggestions both where I should go for hosting or where I should go for reading. I would love to hear what books and stories have been sacred and beautiful to you as well. Thanks for reading along with me, everybody, and once again, check the description for a link to the audiobook chapter. Take care.